been trying to take the lessons learned and change the poor ways I mistreated her. So when the next one comes around, it'll be alright. 'Cause I don't wanna live this life alone. Sometimes I can be stubborn right down to the bone. Hell, I've still got a lot to learn.